करती हूँ मैं जब जोर जोर से, तुम्हें क्यों लड़के प्रपोज करके I can't date you because my friend likes you. उसके दोस्त का मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे मैसेज आता है. The moment he started talking to you, उसने मुझे बोला this is my soulmate. We are on a date where I paid for the bill and you will pay me asking your girlfriend who doesn't know that we are on a date, a guy with red flag looks and green flag nature.
Hello everybody, this is your host Manisha. Welcome back to the Social Nation show where we get candid with your favorite creators. Now today we are thrilled to have our guest with us. She's a true queen of storytelling. Her super engaging story series and relatable reels have us hooked to our phones and we keep coming back for more. She's your go-to for all things drama, comedy and cuteness all rolled into one. Please join me in welcoming the one and only Namrata Kaur, aka the K-Nam page. Welcome. Hello.
Hello, hello.
Did I pronounce it right? Is it the
Yeah.
K-Nam page?
Yeah. Thank God you didn't say ठीक नाम page.
अरे ये क्या है? Have people called you that?
Yeah. ठीक नाम page.
Oh my god, that's very weird.
I know it.
K-Nam. Actually, let's start with that. Why this name?
So this page was never like a creator's page. Creator's page हो सकता है, but it was more of a writer's blog. So my pen name is K-Nam. So my name is Namrata Kaur. So K is my second name का initial and Nam. So I made it K-Nam page. तो उस पे writers का होता था. But then eventually I got an iPhone and I shot a transition video. And I thought अच्छा शक्ल दिखा के ज़्यादा views आएंगे.
Okay.
लिख लेती हूँ लेकिन content वो अलग. तो I archived all the posts where I have little short compositions and all. So this is the story behind the name.
That's amazing, yeah. Now, we start our podcast with one question. It's called What My Fans Don't Know. So, here you need to tell us something that is not there on the internet about you that your fans, you're sure your fans don't know. What would it be?
My fans don't know that content creation or being in front of the camera was never something I wanted to do or not a part of my plan. I was good at studies. I studied computer science. I was focused that अच्छा अभी स्टार्टअप पे काम कर लिया now I'll crack Google, Microsoft and all. This was my bucket list. Never content creation. But one random day I decided 6 महीने देते हैं इसको बस. And let's see 6 महीने में क्या होता है. एक break लेते हैं. And in that break I can start preparing for Google or Microsoft. And then I felt like I don't want to go back to that life. This feels more real, more me.
When was the 6 months timing? Was it after you've completed your degree or?
So I studied in an engineering college and after my internship जो final year में होती है 1 साल हमें काम करना पड़ता है.
Correct.
1 साल का होना चाहिए कि we have at least 1 year of experience. So मेरा experience हो गया था last year itself. I thought ये 6 महीने का gap लेते हैं. I left my job in May and May से मैंने सोचा कि अब बस ये पूरा साल देखते क्या होता है. And मैंने वो साल कुछ भी नहीं किया to be honest.
Oh damn.
I thought मैं content break लेती हूँ but anxiety kicked in कि oh shit मैंने content break कैसे ले लिया. अब ले लिया तो क्या बनाऊँ. So that was the story but then I started figuring it out कि क्या करना चाहिए कैसे how do you put yourself as a unique creator because if there are so many people doing rants, there are so many people doing character sketches. I don't want to be the person who does the same thing.
Fair.
So then I came up with something like this.
But you've mentioned before that you've been a top student, right?
Yeah.
You've been a nerd.
Yeah.
How did you take this big leap of leaving studies, a job, and then finally deciding कि हाँ भाई, the last point that made you think कि मैं ये करूँगी?
So I was in school. तब से ही I was actively participating in debates, skits and all. So this has always been a part of me. तो हमेशा से होता है ना that you know, we always say that everyone is blessed with one talent. And मुझे लगता था मेरे अंदर क्या talent है? अरे ना मैं गाती हूँ. My younger sister, she's a good dancer, very good dancer. जैसे उसको डांस आता है ना. मैंने इंडियन आइडल की ऑडिशन दी है. कैन यू बिलीव?
What? हाँ? Damn.
एंड उसमें मैंने गाना गाया ये रात रुक जाए. I was in class 9th. So I've tried everything to figure out कि मेरे में ऐसा है क्या कि that I can follow your passion. वो लाइन में अपने पे कहाँ fit करूँ? What is the passion? So never thought that I never liked acting that much more than I like creating. So I've always wanted to write more and show my work. तो धीरे धीरे I got to know अच्छा मुझे ये पसंद आ रहा है शायद मुझे इसमें और करना चाहिए. And through content creation I realized कि acting is something I enjoy but I want to be a filmmaker basically.
Okay. So you're into direction more than acting.
डायरेक्शन, स्क्रीन प्ले, राइटिंग, सो दैट इज समथिंग दैट गिव्स मी थ्रिल. बचपन से आई हैव बीन अ पर्सन जिसके मन में बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक चलता रहता है.
If all of us. Yes.
एंड गर्ल्स
Of
आर
course.
सो डिल्यूजनल. वी
They
सी अ
are,
क्रश
we are.
एंड कभी वो टकराएगा, ओ शिट, हवा में मतलब
Books में
हवा उड़ने
pages
लगी,
उड़ रहे हैं.
हाँ,
Yes,
उसका
of
नाम
course.
हर जगह लिखा जा रहा है, स्माइल हो रही है. तो आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन दैट पर्सन.
And what's the background music been of your life?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, मतलब सिचुएशन टू सिचुएशन डिपेंड करता रहता है. 2015 के बाद देयर आर नॉट मेनी ग्रेट म्यूजिक्स दैट हैव बीन प्रोड्यूस्ड और मेड. तो उससे पहले के बहुत सारे ऐसे गाने हैं जो चलते रहते हैं. सो इफ आई फॉल इन लव विद द गाय से चीजें में रख के भूल जाती.
Oh damn, I love that. I think that's a perfect representation of what it feels like falling in love.
Yeah.
Great. Wait, I had to ask. Yeah, what happened to this Indian Idol audition? Can we see it anywhere? Is it out there?
It's not out there because
I
उनके
think
लेवल्स
you should
होते
put
हैं.
it.
हाँ.
अच्छा.
उनके लेवल्स होते हैं. तो फर्स्ट लेवल में मुझे बोला गेट आउट.
Oh no! Did you go to the studio? Was it like an online thing that you did?
सो हमारे तो इट वाज फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम हैपनिंग इन जम्मू कश्मीर. आई एम फ्रॉम जम्मू
Yes.
कश्मीर. तो वी वर, माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड वाज अ ग्रेट सिंगर. आई थॉट आई कुड बी वन टू.
Okay.
तो वो होता है ना कि हम स्कूल प्रेयर्स गाते एक पूरे कोरस में बैठकर.
Choir,
आई वाज द वन among that chorus and the last person. I thought शायद मैं अपने सुरों को लगा सकती हूँ. And I asked my teacher मुझे इस गाना सिखाओ.
Okay.
तो she was like सारे गा मा पा दा नी सा. मैं अच्छा मैं गाना गा सकती हूँ. तो मैंने अपनी दोस्त को पूछा मैं गाना गा सकती हूँ ना. She being my friend, हाँ हाँ तू गा
Oh,
सकती है ना.
delusional friends, blind leading the
और
blind.
फिर जब मैंने वहाँ गाना गाया तब मुझे पता चला. एंड द बिगेस्ट थिंग इज कि ना होता क्या था उस टाइम पर. इट वाज समवेयर अराउंड 2015 की बात है ये.
Okay.
तब हमारे पास इतने स्मार्टफोन्स नहीं थे. घर वालों के पास थे बट वो उतना चला नहीं देते थे. तो क्या होता था जो MTV पे चैनल आते थे ना उसमें डिफरेंट गाने आते थे. तो अब यू हैव टू परफॉर्म फॉर द ऑडिशन. सो हर गाने पे मैं सोचती अच्छा मैं ये गाना गाऊंगी. अच्छा नहीं ये इसके लिरिक्स कैसे याद करूँ. अच्छा फ़ोन में रिकॉर्ड कर लेती हूँ.
Oh damn.
तो ऐसे ऐसे थिंग्स यूज्ड टू वर्क. ऑडिशन से एक दिन पहले मैं डिसाइडिंग गाना क्या गाऊँ. माई सिस्टर वॉज ऑल्सो शी वॉज अ डांसर. तो वो मुझसे इन्फ्लुएंस होगी. एंड शी वॉज लाइक मैं फेविकॉल से गाऊंगी. तो शी वाज लाइक अंगड़ाइयाँ लगती हूँ मैं जब जोर जोर से. शी लिटरली डिड दिस.
Okay.
तो इट वाज फन टू वॉच हर. खुद की बेइज्जती करवा दी मैंने. एंड देन सिंगिंग मैंने तब से छोड़ दी.
Well, which one did you sing?
ये रात. Don't make me sing.
I think you should consider this to be your audition again and give a retake. No? Who did you sing in front of?
There were some panelists. I don't actually know them.
अच्छा,
मतलब
main
not
judges
main
नहीं थे.
faces. No,
अच्छा,
not main
okay.
faces. It was the first. I guess I cleared first round.
You did.
I did.
Yay.
It was the second round. Third round was TV round. The second round में फिर.
So you didn't even get to meet the main people यार. Basically करवा के भी कोई.
Thing was जो मेरे आगे लाइन में लोग खड़े थे. They were like ये नोट नहीं ये नोट पकड़ो. नोट पकड़ो. तो गाना होता है ना जाके वहाँ पे तो.
Oh shoot.
क्या नोट पकड़ो.
Professional singers यार क्या बोले अब.
Exactly.
Okay, now we've been talking about romance. So I want to give you a few romance tropes and I need you to rate them and give me only one line of why. So
Okay.
fake line में ठीक है.
Okay.
I'll give you the tropes. You rate it as per you want. 5 है. So there's enemies to lovers, friends to lovers. It's fake dating. There's a love triangle and there's forbidden love.
So I would keep enemies to lovers सबसे पहले.
I agree. Yes.
Because दुश्मन दोस्त, the दुश्मन से प्यार is the best
There's
thing.
more intense it
Yeah,
gets.
more intense. I hate him. Oh my god, I love him. And then I would keep fake dating.
Ah, that's interesting.
No, actually love triangle.
Love triangle after enemies. Okay.
Then love triangle because तीन तिकाड़ा काम बिगाड़ा और जब काम बिगाड़ा तभी मसाला आया मतलब मसाला आता स्टोरी में.
It's for the spice.
Yeah. Then I would keep fake dating, which is my current series. अच्छा लगता है कोई fake date करता है, red flag बंदा और फिर उसको प्यार हो जाता है ना. I can fix him.
Yeah, delusion.
Yeah, delusion. And what was the
Last
other?
one, friends to lovers and
हाँ, friends to
forbidden
lover the
love.
last one.
Why?
It will mess up your friend. Okay, you have seen Friends, right?
Yes.
Friends. So I know Monica and Chandler did work out, but it never happens in real. मतलब मेरा तो नहीं हुआ.
अरे बोल दो कुछ बोलना चाहते थे आप.
हाँ मतलब I fell not in love basically. I was infatuated towards my friend. Say best friend जितना close ही था. But then it ended up with a very complicated situation कि जहाँ पर वी वर नो मोर फ्रेंड्स और हमारे बीच में जो वो प्यार था वो अब नफरत में बन चुका था. सो इट्स नेवर गुड. वो राहुल अंजलि बस उसमें अच्छा लगता है.
So that's last because of your personal experiences.
Yeah, personal experience.
Then fourth is who? Then Forbidden Love.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Now, since we started off with this, I need to ask you one question that every boy wants to know, and we girls have never been able to understand. Why do women always fall for the bad boy?
I've given a thought about it myself जब मैं stories लिखती हूँ.
Yeah.
So I feel we women are simple, but we like complicated stuff.
Okay.
We want to fix things. So we think if a red flag guy falls for us, maybe we can fix him. और हम उसको सुधार देंगे, हम उसको एकदम green flag बंदा बना देंगे who's obsessed with us. And of course, Bollywood and content that we consume plays a major role. तो हमें लगता है कि you know we will find that guy जो एक नंबर का रेड फ्लैग होगा. जैसे कौन सी मूवी की रेफरेंस दूँ मैं आपको? कोई मूवी आप बताओ चलो रैंडम से जिसमें एक रेड फ्लैग गाय को
Animal, bro. I just recently saw the wrong.
एनिमल में तो ही इज अ रेड फ्लैग आफ्टर एंड बिफोर मैरिज. ठीक है, लेट इट बी, अपना कुछ कुछ होता है.
अरे but okay.
हाँ,
fine,
he
fine.
was a red flag as in he flirted with every other girl. But जब टीना आई, so he was a one woman man. तो I think कि लड़कियों को लगता है कि एक लड़का आएगा हमारी जिंदगी में जो हमें देखकर खो जाएगा. He will be challenging. हमें मजा आएगा. It excites us. And then we will fix him. And then he'll be ours. And red flag guys are actually attractive. And they present themselves very nice.
That's true. I think this because they say all the right things.
Because
somehow.
right things. Because they're very experienced ना, तो उनको पता है क्या बोलना है, कब क्या बोलना है. और हम लड़कियां तो है ही emotional food.
Or who's your favorite red flag? Fictional red flag.
Fictional red flag. The current series that I would hint I am working on right now is a mafia-based story. So I would say mafia.
Mafia. Are you one of those people who reads those smut novels?
I do.
Give us that also. Which is your favorite smut novel?
Recently, I've read Ugly Love.
Okay. I think I've heard of this. Who's the author?
Colin Hoover.
Oh, of course. So Twisted also you would have read.
I've read only 3-4 books to be honest. But I've watched, I consume a lot of visual content. So I watched a lot of content. I also started watching K-drama because I think it is somewhere close to your Hollywood fantasies combined with your Bollywood feel.
That's true.
Because Hollywood mein na, it's all about it happens very quickly. India mein it happens very slow. And K-drama is something जिसमें mix होता है.
I think K-drama में the moments that you are also attracted to, you're excited for is when they hold hands and simple things like that.
हाँ, वो जो hold hands पे उसमें 10 मिनट एक दूसरे को घूरेंगे.
Exactly.
And I used to feel कि होता है असली में नहीं होता.
नहीं होता. Of course नहीं होता है. Hollywood में it's quite fast. That's true. Now like you said, you've created such addictive series. I want to know how did this whole journey begin? How did it start? What was the first thing that you shot?
Again, I left my job last year and I thought कि I'll make content. I used to rant. I tried everything. Before that, I used to make transition videos.
Yeah.
So I was more of like, I can't speak in front of the camera. I was not shy, but I was not confident enough कि how to land my punches. I spoke to many creators who actually helped me. And then जब मेरा थोड़ा verbal content आने लगा, I was not feeling the kick. यार क्या कर रही हूँ मैं? ये भी वो बना रहे, वो भी बना रहे हैं. मतलब मेरा क्या अलग है? मैंने ये थोड़ी ना शुरू किया था that I'm doing the same that other people are doing. So one day, random day, 10 दिन हो गए थे. I had not posted. I didn't post any content for straight 10 days. I thought क्या बनाऊँ? अचानक से ना I was listening to the song पहला नशा पहला खुमार. And one thing about me is that I never write the content first. I get the music first. I get the feel first.
Okay.
I imagine the story, I get the feel, and then I write the content. So I had this feel of a topper falls for a backbencher, and toppers fall for a backbencher. And if you see the first part, it doesn't have this first part 1 written because I never thought that it could be a part 1.
Oh, okay.
So I just posted that one reel and मैंने randomly caption में लिख दिया इसके आगे के story के लिए मतलब randomly caption में लिख दिया इसके आगे के story के लिए comment part 2 and people did comment part 2. I was like, अच्छा ऐसा भी होता है मतलब चाहिए लोगों को part 2. Then came part 2. And then I was feeling, acha, I'm playing multiple characters, I'm loving it. And you know one thing, you might have heard this too, कि men written by women are beautiful.
Yeah, of course.
So whatever things that I need from my man, मैं अपने characters में डाल देती हूँ.
Very smart you are.
हाँ तो वो delusion भी पूरा हो जाता है. And my future partner soulmate might get some hints कि मुझे कैसा बनना है.
हाँ ना तेरे अगर somebody wants to hit you up they be like इसका content तो देख लेता हूँ मैं, this is all I have to do to pata her for
हाँ,
sure.
exactly.
That's crazy, yeah.
So that's how it happened. कि
So the first one's backbencher and this
top.
one only, na?
हाँ.
That's
Then I
nice.
told friends, 2 lovers भी मैंने किया था. 2
Friends
best friends.
lovers,
हाँ.
yes. I think 2 best friends falling for the same girl, yeah.
No, that was
Another?
third one. The other one was 2 best friends fall for each other.
Oh, okay. My next question actually was going to be the same because you make such adorable school love stories. Like you said, backbencher falling for the topper. You've also been quiet. You've said the nerd. I want to know how many of these stories are real life school stories? You need to tell me. Spill.
हाँ, saying that I was not a topper, but I was not an average student either.
What is the definition of topper for you, Namrata?
I feel someone who is just कि तूने जो प्रपोज किया मैं मैम को बता दूंगी.
I feel like you were that person.
I did it once and then ma'am was like तुम्हें क्यों लड़के प्रपोज करके.
तुम्हारी गलती है
हाँ.
अगर वो तुझे प्रपोज कर रहा है.
हाँ तुझे प्रपोज कर उसने क्यों प्रपोज किया. There was this incident. मेरा एक दोस्त था, मैंने उसके गाल खींचे. He was so cute.
Okay.
7th क्लास में थी. तो उसने शाम में मुझे प्रपोज कर दिया. बोला तूने मेरे गाल खींचे मुझे तुझसे प्यार हो गया.
That's all men want, don't they? That's all it takes.
हाँ तो
ये
that was the
भगवान.
thing. तो मतलब यही है कि आई बैक बेंचर से ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरा कुछ स्टोरी बना है, बट आई ऑलवेज वांटेड समथिंग दिस काइंड इन माय लाइफ.
Okay.
तो आई एम अ वेरी इमेजिनेटिव पर्सन. तो जो चीज़ें एक्चुअल में इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं हुए, आई डू हैपन टू मेस अप माई लाइफ एंड विच गिव्स मी अ लॉट ऑफ कंटेंट टू, बट द थिंग्स दैट आई पोर्ट्रे इन माई कंटेंट आर मोर ऑफ इमेजिनेशन दैट आई विश दैट कुड हैव हैपेंड टू मी, या ऐसा होता मज़ा आता.
But give us a little insight of what was school like then for you.
Again, I was not neither a backbencher nor a topper, like first bencher. Second, third bench पे बैठने वाली थी. मेरी जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड थी वो टीचर की बेटी थी. तो आई वॉज ऑलवेज कॉन्शियस कि मैं कुछ मैसअप ना कर दूँ कि हमारी दोस्ती खराब हो जाए. मतलब अदर टीचर्स आर लाइक यू नो कि अब देयर वाज वन इंसिडेंट दैट आई पुट अ पोनी. मैं बाल मेरे कुछ फंक्शन था, मेरे बाल स्ट्रेट थे. आई हैव वीवी हेयर, तो मेरे बाल स्ट्रेट थे. तो बोला अच्छा पोनी डाल के जाऊंगी. एंड दिस वन टीचर, बिची टीचर, शी वाज लाइक आई वाज सिटिंग विद माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड and my best friend's name is Nikshap. Nikshap, get up. Not a good company. And since then I was very conscious about what I'm doing.
Just because you put on a pony.
Yeah, just because I was I put on a pony. Just because I had a pony on, she made her sit somewhere else. And that was like, अच्छा ठीक है मुझे थोड़ा conscious होना पड़ेगा. I had a boyfriend in school though. And I used to be like, भैया in front of everyone, भैया.
ट्रॉमा भाई, उस लड़के को क्या ट्रॉमा दिया
उसको नहीं, but दोस्तों के सामने. No one knew we dated actually.
Oh, तो हो गया फेक डेटिंग नहीं है, हाइडिंग द रिलेशनशिप.
He had the same bus.
Okay.
तो था कि हम लोग, और वो मुझसे सीनियर था, तो हम लोग सेम क्लास में.
सीनियर से प्यारा है, हाय क्यूट.
अरे it was such an embarrassing story. So I had a crush. You know, we played truth and dare.
हाँ.
वो लास्ट पीरियड जब होता था तो we used to play truth and dare जब टीचर नहीं आती थी. तो this is one day. तो दे वर लाइक ट्रूथ है, तुझे कोई लड़का पसंद है क्लास में? सब तो नहीं पसंद कोई भी, सब तो मुझे लीचर लगते थे. तो आई सेड दिस.
इट्स ऑलवेज द सीनियर्स. हमारे क्लास के कभी अच्छे थे नहीं.
और समटाइम्स यू नो व्हाट हैपेंस वंस व्हेन यू गेट इनटू अ रिलेशनशिप भी नहीं, यू हैव अ क्रश या तुम्हारा कुछ सिचुएशनशिप चल रहा है एंड रैंडमली आउट ऑफ नोवेयर यू सी दिस गाय हु इज इन योर स्कूल यू हैव नेवर सीन बिफोर. आई वाज लाइक मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं देखा कभी.
टाइम वेस्ट हो गया मेरा.
तो मतलब हाउ दैट ओनली दैट सिचुएशनशिप वाला जोन. सो दिस सीनियर गाय, तो ही वाज इन माय बस एंड मुझे वो अच्छा लगता था.
वेट, तुम्हारा गेम का क्या हुआ?
हाँ वही बता रही हूँ. तो ही वाज इन माय बस, वो मुझे अच्छा लगता था. तो वो मुझे जस्टिन बीबर जैसा लगता था
भाई. अलग इन्फ्लुएंस.
तो हाँ, तो मुझे जस्टिन बीबर जैसा लगता था. सो वो ऐसे बॉटल ट्विस्ट कर रहे थे.
बस में खेल रहे थे तुम लोग?
नहीं, हम लोग क्लास में खेल रहे थे. तो मेरे क्लास वाले दोस्तों ने मुझे बोला हु डू यू लाइक. तो क्लास वाले बच्चों का नाम नहीं लेना था. सो आई सेड दिस गाय इन माय बस जिसका नाम ये है शायद. शायद मुझे श्योर नहीं है क्योंकि टीचर अटेंडेंस लेती थी ना बस में, बच्चे आगे नहीं आगे. तो वो हाँ, तो यही है नाम उसका एंड वो इस क्लास में पढ़ता है. तो मेरा दोस्त जो एक जिसको सबसे ज़्यादा चुल थी, उसने जाके उस लड़के को बोल दिया. अब द ट्विस्ट इज दैट गाय माय सीनियर, हमेशा उसके फ्रेंड्स यू नो वंस यू लाइक अ गाय गर्ल योर फ्रेंड्स आर टीजिंग यू इन फ्रंट ऑफ हर. हाँ, तो मुझे वो हिंट्स दिखते थे कि उसके फ्रेंड्स टीज कर रहे हैं उसको. आफ्टर दैट इंसिडेंट हैपेंड, सो आई थॉट दैट ही आल्सो हैज फीलिंग्स फॉर मी. अच्छा, दिल में दिल रख हुआ. ऑल दिस टाइम It was not him, his other friend, जो उसके बाजू में खड़ा रहता था, जिसको वो टीज करते थे.
Oh no.
So that guy said, I can't date you because my friend likes you.
अरे यार, that is just sad, man.
I know. Then फिर वो पट गया.
कौन?
वही लड़का वापस फिर पट गया वो, मतलब
पट
उसने-
गया?
मतलब जब मैंने बोला मैं तेरे दोस्त को पसंद नहीं करती हूँ, तो फिर उसके दोस्त ने बोला ठीक है, अगर तुझे पसंद करती है तो कर लो फिर, और क्या ही कर सकते हैं.
See, men, no, they come back to track. But is this not the same boy? In your reels, you've spoken about your first heartbreak. Is it the
No,
same
no.
boy? No? Okay, cool.
I've had many heartbreaks.
But ये आपका heartbreak story सुन के तो मुझे बहुत गंदा लगा, bro.
लास्ट पार्ट डालना था मुझे, but the guy actually texted me and said don't say.
Huh? Guys, why?
I don't know, it's like he actually replied to my story and said कि very relatable.
But school की बात है. It's not like he still cares about his first
I know, but
girlfriend.
common people do. So he's like just don't. So मुझे third part बनाना था कि उसने he actually came back.
Oh, for people who don't know, do you want to quickly tell them the short story of what the heartbreak
हाँ,
was?
so because all my school I've had a unibrow. I was not that appealing girl apparently. But जैसे मैं college में गई, मैंने सोचा मैं तो अपना makeover करूँगी. तो I did a huge makeover. I looked very different. Then he texted me and he's like कि मिलते हैं, बात करते हैं. He stays in Mumbai and मिलते हैं, बात करते हैं. And he started flirting and all stuff like that. He wanted to get back, मतलब be with me. And then I said, I'm no more interested. And that gave me a kick. I'm no more interested.
ये था पहला heartbreak. Wasn't it the boy who told you he was he
हाँ,
broke up?
He broke up, then he left. मतलब वो मुंबई चला गया.
Oh.
After 3-4 years,
He came back.
he added me on Instagram. I was in Bangalore. I had a makeover. So now I was appealing. I was attractive too.
अरे कुछ होता है, हो गया ये तो.
But उसमें ये था कि he was
Unibrow also. करे तो काजोल निकली तो. अंजलि.
मेरे बस eyebrows क्रूर सिंह जैसे थे, बहुत बड़े. Anjali was pretty. But everyone is pretty again.
That's true. That depends
In their
on
own
man.
way.
Okay, now like you said, you're from Bangalore. You have a job back at Bangalore. So tell us a little about your corporate life. किया आपने पूरा कितने वक्त के लिए किया था आपने ये job?
Final year internship for entire year, then a 10 months job. So people usually say it's a 9 to 5 job, but it was 9 to 9 job. You also work, right? Working woman understands this thing that it's, and you are an entertainment field. तो आपका तो Sunday भी free नहीं होता.
Yes, it was.
हाँ, तो it was a 9 to 9 job. I loved it actually. It did give me a thrill. Again, Google मेरे checklist में था. Google, Microsoft were
like
in my
you said,
checklist.
yeah.
So I thought अब तो ये crack कर ही लूँगी, मैं तो मस्त फाड़ दूँगी वगैरह कर लूँगी. But then content thing happened.
So you didn't exactly get to work उतना in the corporate job.
हाँ, yeah, not too much, but enough that I worked in a startup basically. तो startup में क्या
कौन
होता
सा
है ना?
company था?
Named Trim Pixel.
Okay.
So they were working on a software. So I was a front end and a back end developer. I'm in touch with the work because I love that work. I keep making मतलब apps and all. I work on projects basically. So that was the application that I was working on as a front end and a back end developer. Front end is where you make the beauty side and back end is where you work. You know, front end, back end, basic terms हैं हम. So it was good. Didn't feel the kick again. वो जो kick की missing थी ना, वो ही missing था. बस अच्छा लगता था.
But before this interview, the conversation we had, I still can't believe that you actually liked studying engineering. You're the first person who's ever said that to me. That's mental. Now coming to your obsession with cricket. I know you're a huge cricket fan. Condolences because I know you're a RCB fan and same here.
Us moment.
It's okay. But tell me.
इस साल कप नम दे.
नहीं आएगा. आएगा? Are you sure?
टीम अच्छी ली है इन्होंने तो.
कौन है अभी? No one's that great.
But it's
compared to the
balanced
old.
actually.
That's the thing I've been hearing from every fan. I think that's just for us to keep ourselves
Sympathy.
a little कि हो जाएगा शायद. Okay, but anyway, let's manifest, guys. इस साल का.
But just tell me one thing. Why did मतलब RCB, you like RCB ना?
It's only for Virat.
Yeah, that's what I want to know. मेरा तो ABD था, but he left.
ABD left, now what?
But मेरा अब बन गया, अब आ गया दिल में. You know, it's just I don't know, human trait or something. जो weak चीज होती है ना, हम उसको support ज़्यादा करते हैं.
That is true. I think this is where that whole concept of falling for the red flags come in. There is no bigger red flag than RCB for sure.
RCB, R red. और हैवी रेड.
हम सबसे लॉयल लड़कियां हैं यार जो आरसीबी को फॉलो करते हैं.
There was a reel I did कि do you know how loyal I am? I'm still an RCB supporter. उससे ज़्यादा क्या अभी justification दूँ?
I know, but I hope at least this year इस साल कप नाम दे. But my question here was you've done this epic collaboration with Star Sports. And you had the thrill of meeting cricket legends. So tell us about that moment with the two cricket जब एक कार पे आपने collaboration किया था. Tell us a little about how did that happen.
Do you want to hear the funny part or do you want to hear the normal basic?
Funny part है of course.
So हम Indians हैं, ठीक है, and we do consume a lot of foreign content, as in American content,
Correct.
English content, Australian content, and we do watch videos with subtitles.
Yes, of course.
That was the thing मुझे जहाँ पर doubt था. I usually don't get nervous while talking to people because I think मेरा easily हो जाएगा. The only thing that bothered me was कि one is Englishman and other one is Australian. I can understand American accent because it's very basic. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा उसमें accent नहीं आता है. What if ये जो बोले मैं वो समझ ही ना पाऊँ?
Oh shit.
And it actually did happen. So I asked them, which IPL team are you supporting this year? This was my question. And हमारे स्मिथ जी बोलते हैं, स्टीव स्मिथ कि I think Rajasthan Bashir.
Oh shoot.
Okay, Rajasthan Bashir. I was like, Bashir? Bashir? Bashir कौन है? And I was blank. Bashir? कोई है बशीर क्या यहाँ पे? And then मैंने समझा, अच्छा Rajasthan this year.
Oh my god, bhai.
But it sounded like Rajasthan Bashir. The Bashir, the sheer.
Oh god, you have to say it a lot of times in your head, yeah, to get that. It's crazy.
और मुझे कैसे पता चला? So my video got edited by the editor and वहाँ पर वो caption हुआ this year.
Oh, that's how you got to know, bro. तुझे तब पता भी नहीं था वो बोला क्या था?
Who's Bashir?
ये कौन सा क्रिकेटर है जिसके बारे में मैंने नहीं सुना है?
Yes. तो ये कौन है बशीर? तो उस टाइम पर एंड मुझे क्या होता था आधी चीजें मुझे समझ भी नहीं आ रही थी वो क्या बोल रहे हैं क्योंकि मैं पीछे बैठी थी तो मैं उनकी लिपसिंग भी नहीं पकड़ पाती.
Correct, yeah.
तो I was like they were laughing on something.
Oh no.
Like I'm also the part of the story. But then मैंने subtitles पढ़ा अच्छा ये बात हो रही थी. ओ अब फिर हंसी.
चलो good quality at least संभल तो गया वहाँ पे.
हाँ.
But you also started working, like you said, with Star Sports collaboration था, but you also started working with brands very early on. I've seen बहुत पहले से काम कर रहे हो. I want to know how did brand collaboration start so early on in your content creation journey?
I feel कि जैसे once brands reach out to you and they want to promote any product, my first question to them is send me a product. कि what is it about? Sometimes it's an application promotion. Sometimes it's food promotion या sometimes it's any product मतलब whatever we apply body face क्या बोलते हैं उसको beauty products or something like that. So my basic thing is if I understand कि अगर मेरी feed में 4 बार एक product आएगा the 5th time it comes I'll buy it. So that influence मतलब influential people we have that influence. So whatever I am promoting it should be something that I can also use. It's not necessary कि मैं उसको बहुत ज़्यादा use करूँगी, but it doesn't harm me in any way. So I make sure कि I do that check before I promote anything. So and I feel brands who give you creative freedom are the biggest green flag brands because what happens is we do give them a lot of reach, but उनका integration हम इतना subtle कर देते हैं कि उनका नाम लोगों के कान में घूमता है. अच्छा.
Correct. Fair. That's amazing, man. Now, I know you're from Bangalore. I know Bumble is used a lot there. My question is, have you tried any dating apps अभी तक?
Of course.
अगर हाँ तो भाई best or worst experience बता दो.
I've been on 2-3 dates to be honest and never had the best experience.
Which app? Only Bumble?
I've been on different platforms to be honest and होता क्या था usually I don't know if it happens with other girls too but 2-3 लोगों ने मेरे साथ agree किया कि it happens with them too. Sometimes you just feel so low in your life. You install application, you make an account, you just write swipe people and then after one day you delete your account.
It's just validation, right? At the end of the day, when you kind of feel low, you just want to scroll and see ये करेगा क्या? And then I think especially when these really good-looking men, you're like, will he not? And then when he does, you're like, हाँ मिल गया validation हो गया मेरा time to delete.
Exactly. वो conversation.
It's true.
Yeah. So this was this one guy. तो आई वेंट ऑन अ डेट बेसिकली क्या हुआ था कि वी वर चैटिंग फॉर 3-4 आवर्स, हम 3-4 घंटे से बात कर रहे हैं एंड देन वी प्लान एक्चुअली टू मीट द नेक्स्ट डे.
Whoa, that's fast.
I know because I was at a phase where मुझे था कि भाई मुझे तो अब चिल मारना है, मैं तब मारूंगी मजे, अब मैं बनूंगी रेड फ्लैग.
You need that phase.
Yeah.
It's okay.
So I'm a very old school person, but मतलब नहीं मैं करूंगी, अब मैं करूंगी एक्सपेरिमेंट, कुछ भी हो जाए.
Same. I'm in that same phase right now. It happens. It's okay.
तो my roommate I was like मैं कल एक बंदे से मिलने जा रही हूँ. She was like you know him? हाँ अभी डेटिंग पे देख हमारी कितनी देर तक बात हुई है. Like अगर वो सीरियल किलर निकला तो, या उसने कुछ, अगर वो कोई और हुआ, ये फोटो अलग है, तो मैंने कहा प्रोफाइल वेरीफाइड है. कहती अगर हुआ तो मुझे आई वाज लाइक अच्छा ये भी हो सकती है, पॉसिबिलिटी तो हो सकती है. तो फिर मैं छोड़ो, मैं मना कर देती हूँ. तो आई एम अ पर्सन कि मैं किसी को घोस्ट नहीं करती हूँ. सो आई गिव देम एक्सप्लेनेशन या क्लोजर कि दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंड एंड वी कांट कंटिन्यू एनी मोर. सो आई डिड टेक्स्ट हिम कि भाई मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ, आई कांट, आई हैव टू अनइंस्टॉल द ऐप, आई डोंट फील इट इज राइट. उस बंदे ने बोला इतनी देर में 1-2 घंटे की कॉन्वर्सेशन में वी एक्सचेंज आवर इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल्स. उसके दोस्त का मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे मैसेज आता है, भाई द मोमेंट ही स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग टू यू, उसने मुझे बोला दिस इज माय सोलमेट.
ये क्या है?
He had a feeling you have to meet him. तो I was like क्या? ये होता है ना मेरे दोस्त ने भाई हार्पिक पी लिया प्लीज उसे बचा लो. वो वाली सिचुएशन. तो वो जैसे भी वो टल गया, मैंने बोला नहीं मैं नहीं मिल सकती. After 2-3 months we were added on Instagram. He texted me, yeah I'm free to, are you free today? I thought 4-5 में तब तक के बीच में हमने एक दूसरे को रील्स शेयर कर ली थी. We're not actively talking but
In touch.
हाँ in touch. तो I thought चलो आप मिल लेते हैं. तो I went out on a date with him apparently. So he takes me to this very nice place which I chose and he orders few stuff. मैंने कहा ये अच्छा नहीं है मत ऑर्डर करना. He's like अरे अच्छा. So he ordered things, multiple things. And हम खाना खा रहे हैं and he's like Namita 1 second, will you pay the bill? I don't mind paying the bill. I was like हाँ मैं तुझे बाद में दे दूँगा. तो
Okay.
I'm a person, मैं तुझे बाद में he said मैं तुझे बाद में पेमेंट लेकर दे दूँगा. तो मुझे ना I don't like this आधी अधूरी लाइन, किससे पेमेंट लेके दे दूँगा बताओ. तो मुझे किससे पेमेंट चाहिए, कुछ अटका हुआ है क्या तेरा? तो he was like हाँ यार मैं अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को बोलूँगा मुझे पे करने के लिए. I was like तेरी बंदी है? हाँ. बट बाय द वे उसको नहीं पता कि हम लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं. तो मैंने कहा अच्छा. तो वी आर ऑन अ डेट वेयर आई पेड फॉर द बिल एंड यू विल पे मी
Asking your girlfriend that?
What? Asking your girlfriend who doesn't know that we are on a date.
Oh my god, men.
तो मैंने बोला भाई मैं कर देती हूँ.
तू जा.
तू जा रे.
That's really sad यार.
तो उस वक्त ऐसा हुआ कि अरे यार अभी तो तुझे सोलमेट मिल गई थी, थोड़ा वेट कर लेता. मैं तो सोलमेट थी ना उसकी.
But do you know how long they were dating? Was he dating her while he was on the app, texting you?
No, उसका नहीं था. He recently started dating. थोड़ा फिर मैंने भी जांच पता की अच्छा कौन है ये लड़की.
Okay, so he was not dating when.
Yeah, he was not dating.
Chalo.
That's what he told me.
So that's true. That might not be true. Let's just assume कि क्योंकि तुमने ना बोल दिया वो किसी और से मिली.
हाँ.
We were giving the boy the benefit of the doubt. कोई best experiences रहा है? Has anything been good?
मतलब I am a person who actually needs to speak with people in person या फिर ऐसा कुछ before taking any step. तो मैं 1-2 dates पे गई हूँ. Never had the best experience. कोई ना कोई पक्का दिमाग से सन की होता है.
Oh God.
There was this one person I was उसके साथ you know that one person you click with.
Like that.
कि यार he gets me ऐसा टाइप का. I had that moment while speaking to someone online. I never wanted to meet them ऐसे immediately after this incident.
Of course.
And I loved the conversation. I was like, the person gets me. Oh my God, मतलब dream person. And then I asked for their Instagram handle. Can you give your Instagram handle? He was like, actually, I'm a girl. तो I was like, girly. तू मुझसे ऐसे बात कर रही थी, मैं तुझसे बात कर ली थी. लेकिन you created a dream boy for me, which doesn't even exist.
Wait, what were the pictures? Was it like of another guy?
हाँ, another guy.
Good looking guy.
Good looking. And it was a verified account.
ये क्या है? So verified accounts are not.
So she borrowed it from a friend apparently.
So उसका दोस्त ही है तो बता यार, दोस्त से बात करा दे यार.
I know right? तो मैं सोचा अच्छा दोस्त उसकी ये ऐसी है तो दोस्त कैसा होगा. तो फिर मैंने सोचा नहीं यार थोड़ा ऐसे हर्ट हो जाएगा तो नहीं मैंने बोला नहीं it's okay fine. फिर मैंने I did actually add her on Instagram And
ये किक बाय तू अलग है, मैं नहीं करती. How?
मतलब आई एम अ पर्सन हु फील्स कि अच्छा ठीक है सबको क्लोजर देना चाहिए और सब आई एम सच पर्सन जो मुझे नहीं बैड टाइम स्पेंड करना होता है. एंड आई फील इफ समवन हैज कम विद जेन्युइन फीलिंग्स आई वुड रियली अप्रिशिएट एंड सपोर्ट.
But this is a girl who has put her friend's account and chatted with you, and you're still fine.
I did not like that particular part, but I also understand that she was not confident enough to reveal herself, and I feel it's very hard to come out. And then मतलब maybe I can help in her in a way कि I know अगर मैं उसको वहाँ ब्लॉक कर देती उसका confidence lose हो जाता.
That's a very beautiful way to think about it. क्या हो तुम यार? That's very beautiful. I love it. Okay, now we were talking about cricket, so coming back to that, you recently had your fangirl moment with Rishabh Pant. So tell us a little about that. How was it meeting him? कैसा
Funny
था?
story सुनोगे या?
इसमें दोनों सुना दो आप.
So हाँ, ऋषभ पंत के साथ में ऐसा था that I few days back I got to know that Rishabh Pant is gonna happen, like he's gonna come to Bangalore and ऐसा gig है that something is coming up and you have to make content about it and ऐसा था. So I was ठीक है, प्लान था कि हाँ यार ऋषभ पंत से मिलूंगी तो मेरे तो पहले हाथ पैर काम लग जाए थे कि मैं क्या बात करूंगी अगर मैंने कुछ गलत सवाल पूछ दिया, बिकॉज वी ऑल गर्ल्स डू सपोर्ट क्रिकेट बट हमें वो डेप्थ नॉलेज नहीं होता.
Correct, fair.
ठीक है, तो आई डोंट नो कि व्हाट इफ उसने मुझे क्रॉस क्वेश्चन कर दिया और मैंने बोला है कौन है क्या बोल रहा हूँ. तो दैट वाज द थिंग बट इट हैपेंड वेरी ऑर्गेनिकली. आई हैड अ विंडो 15 minutes only with him
Okay.
to set up everything, tell him what we are doing and everything. I did meet him and it was a delusional girl who, you know, fan girl who meets him. तो मेरा ऐसा रोल था जिसमें मुझे ऐसा करना था मैं तो आपसे मिलके धन्य होगी, मतलब ऐसे I was doing overacting and he was sitting
Drama.
next to me. The entire time he was like every time I say something he was like and he had his friends around. तो उनके दोस्त भी हंस रहे थे.
Oh God.
तो उनको टीज कर रहे बोला हंसा मत तो कंटिन्यू करो, आप कंटिन्यू करो. एंड मैं कुछ भी करी थी वो हंस रहे थे. तो लाइक आपको हंसता नहीं मेरे बात पे, आपका अलग शॉट लेंगे जिसमें थोड़ा सीरियस हो जाना.
Okay.
But it was very fun. He enjoyed it and his team did say this to the Stars team. उनकी अलग PR team होती है ना. So they did say that this girl is very good and energetic. You should hire her for more work.
Oh.
They did leave that note and
damn.
I really loved it.
That is very sweet, yeah.
Yeah.
Moment तो बन गया आपका. Which version was this? The funny version?
The funny version was like वो बार-बार हंस रहे थे बहुत ज़्यादा. I was like he was like
Yeah, that's really
it
cute.
was very cute.
Now, before this, we were also talking about two types of content that you make. One is with people, one you make on your own. So I want to know first, what is the process of how you make your videos on your own? Because you play so many characters by yourself. So lighting की setting, camera की angle, how do you figure all of that out on your own?
I think यहाँ पर एक चीज़ आती है कि अगर मैं I used to question myself मेरे में क्या talent है. तो I guess this is the talent I have. I remember things and मुझे so if I'm shooting a content where I play all the roles, उस
Yeah.
content को shoot करने में ही 6 घंटे लग जाते हैं.
Exactly.
Because I have to change वगैरह. But I never have to go back to check my shots कि मैंने वो कहाँ लिए थे. I remember them.
Wow.
And मैं जब लिखती हूँ content, I write scenes. This was on the staircase. This was on this angle. So I remember everything. वो मेरा अभी बन गया story जितना ज़्यादा दिमाग का. And while making content, अब just अपने one more question you had was कि preference maybe that was the question.
That was going to be my next question.
Okay.
आपको पता कैसे चला? Okay.
Okay, sorry, I took it wrong then.
No, start with this, then I'll ask the next question.
हाँ, so it was like I remember things and मेरे को सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है मेल कैरेक्टर प्ले करने में.
Oh, why?
I don't know, मतलब it gives me a thrill. I want to be treated like that. And when I treat on camera someone like this, and that girl blushes, वो जब edit में निकल कर आता है, it just feels. Oh.
So you're just your own delusional man at this point, so that's why you like it. That makes sense. Yeah, my next one was going to be the same key. Now from then, you've recently also started doing a lot of collaborations. So first question here is, who was your first collaboration?
Collaboration as in series.
Yeah, in series.
I made this concept, मतलब नवरात्रि concept पे यार या प्यार करके.
यार या प्यार.
And it was कि I was in touch with few creators who were Gujarati creators. And I'm a person जिसको ना त्योहार बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं.
Okay.
तो नवरात्रि was always in my checklist कि यार and संजय लीला भंसाली. I'm a person who watches lot of movies and lot of content. तो मैंने कहा था संजय लीला भंसाली सर जितना तो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी, बट मैं कुछ उतना अगर मैं उसके छत्रो छाया में भी कुछ क्रिएट कर पाऊँ, इट वुड बी फन. तो आई टेक्स्टेड दिस गर्ल रैंडमली, मेरे दिमाग में एक आइडिया आता है एंड आई टेक्स्ट मतलब 2 friends of mine, आई पुट देम ऑन कॉल, इज लाइक ये आइडिया मुझे करना है, आर यू इन?
Okay.
एंड दे हियर द स्टोरी एंड दे लाइक दे आर इन, देन वी फाइनलाइज द गाय कि ऐसा ऐसा है. तो फर्स्ट वी फाइनलाइज द कॉन्सेप्ट, मेरे हर एपिसोड के हिसाब से कौन सा म्यूजिक आएगा मैं वो पहले डिसाइड करती हूँ, फिर मैं कास्ट डिसाइड करती हूँ और फिर मैं स्टोरी लिखती हूँ. इट्स वियर्ड.
Damn, that's quite the opposite of what people might normally do.
या इट्स लाइक कि मुझे जब लोगों की शक्ल पता होती है वो कैसे एक्ट करेंगे, उस टाइम पे आई कैन राइट इट मोर बेटर.
That's quite interesting.
Maybe because I have not worked with professional actors who can mold themselves very quickly. Maybe they are creators, तो उनका कुछ मतलब restraint रहता है. Maybe it is how I'm working right now. But of course, because I want to be a filmmaker, I would love to write great content without imagining the actors, but not knowing exactly who is playing role, and sell my scripts to the big productions.
I hope that happens for you. Yeah, we should manifest it for sure. But now shooting alone or shooting with people, which one would you choose?
Shooting with people is like you have to handle everyone's tantrum, but you can't also yell on them. You have to be very patient, and you have to. अच्छा, you know this thing कि आप जब भी if you are a host, you have certain things in mind.
Correct.
And आपको पता है कि the things that you have in mind वो निकल के वैसा आना चाहिए. Only you can do it. But when you give a job to someone else,
Correct.
तो you have to make them understand. Sometimes it's a very tiring process जिसमें सामने वाला नहीं समझ पाता कि हमें exactly क्या emotion चाहिए. उस टाइम पर the frustration grows when you have to take 50 takes और वो आया ही नहीं रहा है.
Okay.
But again with people you can show so many things. अब जैसे क्या if I'm playing all the roles तो मैं एक हाथ पकड़ने से ज़्यादा वगैरह से ज़्यादा क्या दिखा सकती हूँ, मतलब इफ़ आई हैव टू शो एनी रोमांटिक मोमेंट, वो गिर भी गई तो एक एक एंगल, बट इसमें आई कैन शो सो मेनी एंगल्स ऑफ रोमांस, सो मेनी एंगल्स, तो वो मेरे पास एक इतनी लिबर्टी आ जाती है ना दैट आई लव, या टू ब्रिंग समथिंग क्रेजी.
That's fair, but I think it will grow now considering you've just started to explain to people your vision is obviously going to take more time. Okay, तो बहुत serious हो गया. So let's get into our game segment. It's called something we've been discussing from the beginning. Red flag, green flag. It's called Feat the K-Nam page. So now here, what I will do is I will give you like I think 6 situations here. You have to tell me is it a green flag or is it a red flag and why do you think it is so. The first one is asks you to split the bill.
पिंक फ्लैग.
Pink flag क्या होता है? ये क्या बीच का रास्ता है?
मतलब आई फील इट शुड बी मोर ऑफ लाइक वन डे आई पे द अदर डे यू पे, ऐसा होना चाहिए. स्प्लिट वाला बिल का पता नहीं, डजंट मेक मच सेंस टू मी, बट इट्स नॉट इवन बैड. मतलब कोई कर रहा है तो आई एम लाइक ठीक है करो, कोई बात नहीं.
I think it depends on which date it is also.
हाँ, अगर फर्स्ट डेट है तो आई थिंक द गाय शुड पे.
Okay. Also, it depends, I think, on who's asking whom out. If it's a first date, I'm asking the guy out, then I wouldn't mind. So it depends.
Do you ask the guys out?
Not yet, but I'm trying. I'm really trying, guys.
I remember you are in that phase.
Yeah, I'm in that phase. All right. Okay. The second one is the guy believes in love at first sight.
मजा आ गया, ये तो ग्रीन फ्लैग है मेरे लिए.
Really? But I think हमारे generation में love at first sight की जो definition है कुछ और ही है.
वही तो मैं जेन ज़ी हूँ कि मिलेनियल क्यों हूँ.
I think it's infatuation, yeah, love at first sight. What do you think? होता है?
I feel love at first. You fall for their parents, but
Yeah.
then you decide कि do you choose to stay or to leave. Love नहीं हो सकता at first sight. वही infatuation या someone you feel कि अरे ये तो देखा देखा सा लग रहा है.
Instant connection, yeah.
हाँ,
that's
instant
true.
connection.
The third one is they're still friends with their ex. Red flag, green flag.
Red flag. Reddest मतलब red forest. Red forest होता है नहीं ना?
नहीं, green forest आप red
Red
forest
carpet.
ये बहुत ग्लैमराइज कर दिया आपने.
अरे ऐसे बोलते ना टर्म्स यूज करते रेड कारपेट तो रेड
Okay, new
कारपेट.
term, guys, red carpet. But why? What is the problem?
I feel you can never be friends with your ex. You will always have this thing कि वो बंदा चले जाएगा उसके पास में because उनका एक एंगल रह चुका है. If they are friends with their ex, कहीं ना कहीं उनके बीच में वो कनेक्शन है, which is not dead but it is hidden somewhere on the बोझ of जो trauma relationship देकर गया है. But वो कभी भी उभर के बाहर आ सकता है.
So, I mean, I think you'll always have your eye on that one girl also, like all the time. The next one is they leave your texts on read, but immediately like your Instagram story.
Red flag. I never ghost people. I always make sure. अच्छा हाँ, this thing happens with me. जैसे मैं किसी की अगर गलती से स्टोरी देख लूँगी टेक्स्ट के बिना, so I immediately go to their text. कि कहीं से मुझे टेक्स्ट तो नहीं किया था, अच्छा मैं देख लेती हूँ एक बार, तो वो अच्छा नहीं लगता है.
But it's very annoying. I think when they see your story but they haven't responded to your text, then point ही नहीं है.
अरे कुछ लोग होते हैं हाय तो हम लिखते हैं हेलो, गायब.
अरे what?
फिर 4 दिन बाद हाउ आर यू.
Oh, that's everybody in this generation.
अरे मतलब ऐसा
जब याद आता है finally all I forgot to text this person.
अरे विद इन फ्यू सेकंड्स हाय, मर गया. अरे आगे तो बताओ.
And they make it also sound so interesting. I'm like, hi, कैसे हो आप? And
हाँ
then it's
कैसे
like,
हो आप, बढ़िया बढ़िया, आप बताओ कैसे हो गायब.
that's the worst way of ghosting. Yeah, ghosting for 2-3 days, worst.
I was so packed up, busy. अरे भाई मैंने विद इन द सेकंड्स रिप्लाई किया, क्या हो गया एकदम में तेरा फोन छीन गया, गिर गया किनारे. एंड दे हैव द वर्स्ट एक्सप्लेनेशंस, मतलब
yeah.
क्या कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं.
And now this should, I don't know if it's applicable for you, but they make reels about your arguments.
नाम लेकर बना रहे हैं या फिर ऐसे रैंडम.
ऐसे ही.
हाँ वो तो मैं बनाती हूँ.
You're like, मैं करती हूँ तो मैं क्या बोलूँ?
I feel it's fine until and unless you are not revealing the name. अरे we girls do that. You know sometimes जब हमारा कुछ breakup होता है या फिर we are in a phase, we put stories. था वो एक प्यार हमारा, अब ना रहा.
Oh damn, that's true, that's true.
तो वो भी वही रिवील करना ही हुआ.
नाम नहीं बताना है, that's fair, I agree. They insist on texting instead of calling even during like emotional conversation.
Flag. Texting is the worst. अभी जैसे अभी आपको मुझे टेक्स्ट करोगे यार I can't talk right now. Your tone will be like यार I can't talk right now. मुझे क्या सुनाई देगा I can't talk right now.
Yeah, the whole emotion only kind of changes.
हाँ
That's
changes.
true.
सामने वाले cases I have had the biggest fights of my life on text. वो on call होता है, अरे वो तो person ऐसा sound ही नहीं कर रहा है. तो you
I
can't.
think a lot of things are sorted if it's just.
And these emojis, भाई what is wrong with people using random emojis यार? वो कुछ भी डालते हैं.
Like what? What are these annoying emojis?
This one मुझे भी लग गई अब इनकी आदत. So there was this one girl. I am a Gen Z, but you know Gen Z use a lot of crying emojis. Even if they I'm so happy.
Yeah.
तो मुझे समझ नहीं आया कि वो happy, literally happy है.
Like रो क्यों रही है अगर तू happy है?
मेरा एक दोस्त है, तो मुझे जब आदत लगी इन सब चीज़ की, तो मेरा भी दोस्त मेरे मतलब क्लास का, तो आई टेक्स्टेड हिम समथिंग, उसने मुझे बोला कांग्रेचुलेशंस, तो मैंने रोने वाले इमोजी डाल दिया. तो क्या हुआ भाई, सब ठीक है? मैंने कहा नहीं, ये तो खुशी के आंसू है.
Oh damn, that's mad. Okay, now like you said, like I said, you're known for creating these very fun fictional stories. I can't remember the one I found you out on. I think it was the most recent one, जहाँ पे आप 3 friends हो and then there's one boy. What is that trope called? What is the series
फेक
called?
डेटिंग है अभी जो चल रहा है.
नहीं, the one before that, जहाँ तीनों y'all are in these gorgeous Sanjay Leela Bhansali type clothes.
ओ यार या प्यार.
वो यार या प्यार ही है?
Yes.
नहीं. Are you sure?
3 girls 1 guy.
Yes.
या यार या प्यार.
जिसमें लास्ट में आप धोखा, मतलब विथ योर फ्रेंड्स यू गिव हिम धोखा. दैट्स यार या प्यार. ओके, यस, करेक्ट. आई वांट टू नो, सिंस यू आर नोन फॉर दीज क्रिएटिंग फिक्शनल स्टोरीज, हु आर योर टॉप 3 फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर्स?
Since I'm doing Mafia right now, so I feel Mafia would be my first fictional character. And second one, have you seen Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya?
Yes, of course.
That I don't know why that character is underrated. Ki someone who loves you so much, and they actually see your work and they appreciate you. That fictional men, they don't exist. They leave, मतलब वो उसको kidnap करने आया होता है, but वो उसकी दुनिया समझ के चला जाता है कि यार letting go is the biggest. मतलब if you are full of love, confidence and you are self composed, letting go is something, the biggest art of living. कुछ भी बोल रही हूँ मैं. Letting go is something very
most
huge.
purest form of love.
Purest form of love.
Yeah.
So that is one character I would say.
Badri. Alright.
Badri.
2 more.
Badri. And
Wait, but do you agree with what Alia did in the movie then? Was it okay for you?
I feel कि उसका career उसकी priority था हमेशा से. तो सबका अपना अपना priority होता है. It's just सामने वाला कितना समझता है. You can't force your love on someone. If she has always dreamt of being something, so that was her first love. That guy's first love was the girl.
True. I think that's quite the debate, and I've also always agreed or supported Alia's role because I'm like, भाई उसको बनना था तो चली गई वो. But I think the debate also comes with it makes it look like she used him for the sister's wedding and then just left, which is another point of view.
Yeah,
which is
she left because she had no one to support. So having supportive family is also nice. मतलब it's a blessing. And when you don't have, you have to do some tigdam because अगर तुमने अपने उस मौके को जाने दिया, you will regret your life कि यार मैंने वो try क्यों नहीं किया. तो you need a lot of courage to leave things behind.
Well, I think that scene when he comes back to kidnap her and then on the road, I think is the best scene of that movie. It's mad.
Exactly.
Okay, after Badri, yes, 2 more characters.
I think I find myself very much in love with Joey.
Oh,
Joey Tribbiani
no,
from
that's
Friends.
Very unexpected.
Yeah, I know, because when he falls for Rachel, though he's a person who has always been dating different-
Hookups and
yeah, and when he falls in love with her, he also lets her go.
You're just obsessed with letting go.
Yeah, I mean, because if you let someone go, that means कि अगर वो तुम्हारे पास होगा तो तुम उसकी कितनी कदर कर सकते हो.
That's fair. That's very true.
And the other one is Damon from TVD.
Of course, yes.
He also did let her go.
Josh. अरे यार.
वो पहले मिला था उससे. If you
Yes, of
Stefan
course.
से पहले
Yeah,
मिला
yeah,
था.
yeah. And there's that dialogue also where she's like, if you had met me first, and then they show us the flashback. I think that scene's. So it's Badri, Joey, and Damon. That's a whole different. Oh my god, that's mad. I love it. So why are you so obsessed with letting go? Has anything like this happened in life? जहाँ आपने किसी को जाने दिया?
हाँ मतलब नहीं मतलब ऐसा भी हुआ नहीं है. But I feel personally कि if a guy really loves me कि वो मुझे जाने दे रहा है मेरी खुशी के लिए, मतलब if he is that letting go कि मैं उसके साथ नहीं रह सकती और वो मुझे जाने दे रहा है, तो if I choose to stay with him and मैं बोलती हूँ I'll also make compromises, then he can go to extend to make me feel comfortable कि हाँ मेरी चीज़ें भी compromise ना हो. If he can let me go, so if I choose to stay with him, then also he can get me moons and stars.
That's true. That's very true. Keeping this mood going, I think all of us have also been very influenced by Karan Johar movies. So I wanted to know, have you ever had that moment in life where it felt like कि यार ये तो कहीं मैं करण जौहर की किसी मूवी प्लॉट में तो नहीं आ गई हूँ?
मुझे लगता है मेरा हर दिन करण जौहर की मूवी जैसा चल रहा है. मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, okay, I am such a delusional person you will ever meet.
Yeah, दिख रहा है वो.
If I am at a party also, okay, I was at a party yesterday and there was this guy who was not actually looking at me, but मुझे लग रहा था कि अगर शायद मैं उसके सामने से गुजरूंगी तो शायद उसकी नज़रें मेरे पे पड़े और वो मुझसे प्यार में पड़ जाए, you know? मतलब हमारे बीच में भी ऐसी कोई चीज़ ना हो, बट वो बोले वो लड़की कौन थी, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है वो मूवमेंट में से चलता रहता है.
Oh damn. Which party was this? Who was this boy?
Urbanix
party. Oh yeah, Urbanic में तो बहुत लोग थे यार, और मैं क्या किसको समझूं मैं? Was it a creator?
I'll tell you privately.
Guys, off camera, we will.
Creator ही था, but he was looking around a lot.
Okay.
तो मुझे लगा
so you're like देख ही रहा है तो मुझे भी देख ले.
हाँ, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि हमारा 1-2 सेकंड के लिए आई कांटेक्ट हुआ है उस पॉइंट ऑफ, मतलब मुझे लगा, मैं तो कुछ भी लगता है, तो आई थॉट मे बी अगर उसकी नजरें वहीं पर टिक जाती.
What was he wearing? Tell us that much at least.
That will reveal everything.
That's true.
But Christmas party में लोग red, white और black पहनते हैं.
Okay, we will do our research and we will get back in the comment section, hopefully. According to you, what is the best features in a boy, like we said, if he was wearing black or white? There's this thing where women like men wearing white shirts, rolled up sleeves. So do you have any specifications like that? Appearance-wise about a boy.
I feel for me, if I find someone attractive, they should be clean.
Clean?
Clean as in कि कुछ होते हैं ना, जैसे अगर if they are wearing white, उनके collar गंदे नहीं होते.
Oh my god.
I am a person who needs everything clean.
Okay.
So I need them to be clean, and I feel कि जो बंदा बहुत ज़्यादा, you know, some people are like, hi, how are you? I was just thinking about you the other day. I don't like such guys.
What? Why though? What is this quality?
I don't like such guys because, you know, people do put themselves, अलग से आवाज़ निकालते हैं from the epiglottis.
Achha, like that. Okay.
You know what?
Okay.
I saw you the other day at the party, and oh my god, you look so great.
Party
and
में
Jessie
आती है
बोलेंगे, hi, कैसा है?
That's fair. Pretending you don't like.
I don't like. What I like is, of course, clean guys, and who respect women.
Okay.
Every sort of women, and who respect people around them, their feelings or everything. मैं चाहती कल I went out with this guy who was like कि उसने ऐसे मतलब ऑटो वाले भैया को ऐसे बोल दिया, अरे चला उसको घुमाओ. तो I don't like such people. Don't disrespect anyone in any manner around you वगैरह सब कुछ. So I like guys who respect everyone around them. अगर कोई आके यहाँ से कप भी उठा के लेके जा रहा है, उनका वो काम है, तो उसमें भी you say thank you.
Fair.
कोई स्विगी वाला ऑर्डर देकर आ रहा है, thank you sir. This is some gestures that I notice in a guy which are like, ये बंदा अच्छा है.
That's nice, yeah. Anything else? That's it.
That's it.
That's all you want. Yeah, so simple है यार हमारी लड़की.
Women are simple.
We are
And
simple.
of
I
course,
agree.
a guy with red flag looks and
Arre.
green flag nature.
I think that is the quality all of us look for, यार. Red flag looks, green flag behavior.
And we think कि red flag जो बंदा है वो red flag अभी है, but अगर वो हमसे प्यार में पड़ जाए and we girls can change him, तो वो green flag बन सकता है.
That's true. I hope both of us find this soon.
Red flag guy.
Okay. Unfortunately, yeah, this were at the end of our question. It's been great talking to you. पता ही नहीं चला है. Now, this is a fun thing that I wanted to end with. We will make a story. ठीक है, मैं और तू. Or I will give you a prompt and you need to continue it. Let's see if we can make a story. I think since you're in Mumbai, let's make a Mumbai story. Yeah? There was a boy and a girl. The boy has come to write his story and he sees this girl in Marine Drive.
इसके आगे बताऊँ?
हम बनाएंगे एक कहानी अगर हो पाए तो.
अच्छा ठीक है.
And it should be a romantic story, of course.
Okay. So he's a writer and he comes to Marine Drive and he sees this girl and he gets obsessed with the character. So he thinks about the girl and writes. So he starts writing उस बारे लड़की के बारे में कि वो ऐसी होगी वैसी होगी. And while he's writing about such things, वो लड़की उसके सामने से वैसे मतलब he's literally in that life zone कि वो लड़की है उसके सामने वैसे हरकतें करते हुए. अगर वो she's someone who sings very well तो वो गा रही है. So he writes about that girl.
Okay. So whatever he's writing is coming true.
हाँ मतलब not coming true मतलब वो imagine करता है कि वो बंदी ऐसी है वैसी है वैसी है वैसी है वैसी है. He writes. He never meets that girl again. We can cut back to 2 years later. He actually writes a book about her.
Oh,
and
what?
she's reading that book.
Okay.
She's reading that book and he's just sign कर रहा है उसकी book reading में आई है. And then she goes and she gives him that book.
Okay.
And she's like, I am that girl. I'm that type of girl. And he has never met her before, but he just saw her and wrote her the right way.
Okay. हो गया. That's cute, yeah. Cute, fun.
It's something like you've seen this movie, ना? जिसमें वो थी कृति सैनन, आयुष्मान खुराना.
Oh yeah, but उसका plot क्या था? Did
उसका
he write about her? Really, it
he
wasn't
wrote about her ex. और वो लड़की वैसी होती है उसकी ex जैसी.
I think I remember she reasoned इसके लगी तो मैं हूँ किसने लिखा है मेरे बारे में. Then she tries to figure out.
हाँ तो वही वो लड़की उसको वहाँ मिलती है and वो बोलती है कि it is about it this personalities are me मतलब I am that girl. And वो फेस तो उसने इस लड़की का देखा होता है. And when he finds कि अरे वो लड़की वही मतलब वैसे ही है असली में भी. And then they go on a date.
Okay.
And rest is history.
That's cute. Good, cute ending, yeah.
You also make one story, no?
अरे यार फंस गई मैं. No. Okay, give me a prompt. I will try.
Okay.
But this we will do together. I'm not that good. I will tell you next.
नहीं,
And
but
then
still
you-
try
अरे
your best.
साथ में कर देना.
हाँ, done. ठीक है, you
हाँ.
say one thing, we'll add on stuff.
Okay, you start.
ठीक है. There's this guy at a workspace. ठीक है, he comes for an
भगवान.
interview
Oh, okay.
and you sit next to him
Okay.
and he spills a coffee.
He's come for an interview and I'm a part of the company.
Yeah, no. You're sitting for the interview and
अच्छा, दोनों interview
he
के लिए.
accidentally spills coffee on you.
So as soon as he spills coffee on me, I get a call from the reception saying that I am next, and then I go into the room. To continue कर.
You go into the room and then before going into the room you yell at him कि भाई दिमाग खराब है क्या तेरा, तूने कॉफी गिरा दी मेरा इंटरव्यू गया ना तो चमाड़ा मार दूंगी. जैसे you sit on the desk and you actually get selected.
नहीं, I think here we should do.
I'll tell you.
Jugalbandi.
You actually
Okay.
go.
No, but Jugalbandi, I was thinking कि after I'm called in, then he is also called in. And then they say that this role is specifically for one person and both of you have to fight for that position and then they keep asking them like rapid questions.
हाँ, rapid questions भी हो सकता है और मतलब this is how you see it. I see it with more twists कि वो इंटरव्यू देने आ रहा होता है अपना and वो उसके ऊपर कॉफ़ी गिरा देता है, वो उसका इंटरव्यू लड़की का सिलेक्ट हो जाता है and then happens to be कि उस लड़की का भी इंटरव्यू सिलेक्ट हो जाता है बट वो उसका बॉस बन जाता है.
Oh, that was I was thinking boss कैसे बनाऊँ मैं इसको.
बट उसकी क्वालिफिकेशंस इतनी अच्छी होती दैट दे गिव हिम अ हायर रोल.
तो जुगलबंदी में ये करते हैं कि इसको ये पोजीशन मिला नहीं, दे टेल हिम कि यू आर बेटर सो यू विल गेट दिस पोजीशन.
हाँ तो ही गेट्स अ बेटर पोजीशन एंड व्हेन यू वर्क एंड इज लाइक तू
यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो.
देन इज लाइक ये तुम्हारा बॉस है, यू हैव टू रिपोर्ट टू हिम. इज लाइक अरे भाई अब आया एनिमीज टू लवर ट्रूप.
यस, दैट्स अमेजिंग. तो पता नहीं यार, इसके बाद कहानी आप बताओ यार कमेंट सेक्शन में. इट्स ऑन टू ऑल.
अब क्या होगा?
जाने के लिए
देखते
फॉलो
रहें
करें.
सोशल नेशन नाउ.
Okay, great. With that, with two stories, we come to the end of our conversation with Namrata Kaur. आपको कैसा लगा? Did you enjoy?
I actually did love. I never thought कि इतना मतलब happening हो जाएगा. I am a person who overshares.
Yes.
Who talks. तो but it was smooth. I thought मैं डर रही थी कि मैं कुछ ऐसा ना बोल दूँ. But it was great talking to you.
Same
You were
here.
easy to speak to.
Thank you. That's the compliment I was looking for. Okay, with that, we come to the end of our conversation with Namrata Kaur. Make sure you all follow us for more such conversations. For now, let's say bye to her. Bye.
खम्मा गणी.
As smart creators, your influence can shape society. Join the ASCII Responsible Influencer course today and earn your certificate. Learn from the experts and become a trusted name in the world of influencing. Act fast and enroll now.